Okay. So, all right, just wait just for 1 or 2 minutes, please. 1 or 2 minutes, and then we kick the ball rolling. All right. So, good afternoon once again, everybody. I believe it has been a very wonderful week for all of us. We know Monday was quite a quiet was a quiet trading day. Market didn't really move well as we would have expected. But Tuesday yesterday was okay. We saw the market move well. And today as well, we have begun to see some moves in the market. I believe so far some of us who have taken advantage of the market, we must have made some money so far today. So let's see how we can take. And remember, there will be FOMC minutes tonight at 8 p.m. Now, it is a high impact news that moves the market. However, it is not as volatile as the FOMC fund rate meeting, where we see economic projection. All right, but this one is to release the minutes of the last meeting. It also drives the market. It moves well. If you engage or prepare for the market, you engage and make money from it as well. All right, but just to say that it is not as volatile as you would, if as it would if it had been the um fund rate or economic projection meeting. But whatever the case is, all of us are still going to trade and make money today in the market. All right. So quickly I will just share my screen. I will just share my screen. As a way of I love to do indices early and then we do these guys later. All right, so let me just quickly switch to the chart and then let's see how to take advantage of the market. All right. Okay. All right, so I believe we can all see my screen, right? So I say okay. If you look at it on 1 hour time frame here now, if you look at it since this today, yesterday, Monday, and Friday, uh, since Friday, we've been seeing US 100 plummet. It has been coming down. And around January, we had this expectation that earnings will come out from these mega cap stocks that will actually propel indices markets to go on the upward swing. However, yes, the data did come out, but then some of them came out disappointing, while some came out good as expected. So we had a kind of mixed report and mixed data. And the only one that others are actually waiting for now is the data coming from Nvidia, one of the mega tech stocks. That remember 2023, they tripled their earning. That stock tripled its earning based on the gains they made from AI. And now it's not a new thing to tell us that AI is getting everywhere, and the truth is it has not even become so saturated. And like somebody would love to say that that the tech is here to start. All right, I put it as that tech has started, but yet we are yet to see the full bloom of it because tech will still dominate the space. All right, so we are still expecting a kind of bounce, a kind of upward move in US 100. If you look at it on daily time frame, it is still uptrend. It's still uptrend, although we've been seeing some retracement here, but it is still uptrend in its direction. Now, whatever the case is, here trying to take advantage of the US Open, I love to go on 5 minutes time frame for us to take advantage of it and make our money, irrespective of the direction that it goes. All right. So I am going to look at us. I'm going to look at us preparing for a buy or a sell. So, I'm going to give you buy stop and sell stop. So, and please do call my attention when I give you buy stop. Do call my attention if price is moving so close to it, so that we can quickly just make some adjustments and modify the entries, so that market will not have triggered before time. It is good that market opens and then catches us, takes us in the direction, and then I will do it. And let me also say it again. Maybe I will be redundant with my word usage in terms of repeating that you do not always have to wait for TP before you take your profit. I think it will not be an overstretched statement, but you know what, if you good volume and then you've made good money, just do it. What matters more is the consistency in the profitability. All right. So if you look at it here now, I should say if you have money and you have good volume, you might want to sincerely. I see US 100 still buying actually. I see US 100 still buying, although it has been going on a downward stuff from Friday, but US 100 will still pick up and buy very, very, very well. All right. So if you want to enter and you want to go long and then you are ready to stay in the market for a while, you will not be in the wrong to do that. But if you are the type that you are just an intraday trader, you may not want to follow that projection. Just may do with the buy stop and sell stop I'm going to give you right now. All right. So on US 100, let's look at us. Which one should I start with? Okay. Let's look at us going in for a buy. If price successfully goes above price level 17, yes, I'm aware of the weak resistance I'm seeing here on 5 minutes time. You just don't worry. If it breaks upward, it's going to go well upward. Yes, within that few and then I am not posting anything, please, or except you would anyone would want to volunteer to be posting, as I'm calling it. Okay, so I am going to. So I'm going to go in for a buy. Let me see it here. Okay. All right. I'm going to go in for a buy if price trades right above price level 17527.86. 17527.86. I'm going to go in for a buy at 17527.86. 17527.86. So let's look at taking our profit at 17548.49. 17548.49. 17548.49. Right. That is for US 100. 17527.86 is our entry. 17527.86 is our entry. And let's look at us taking profit at price level 17548 as our TP. I believe that would help. That would really help. Then for a sell trade, I'm going to just go a bit lower here, and then we'll go. Let's look at us taking a sell at price level 17492, 17492.11, 17492.11, 17492.11. Let me say it again. 17492.11. And then let's look at us taking our profit at 17473. 17473.55. 17473.55. Okay, let me take it again. For US 100, I said going at 17527.86. And I said you should take your profit at 548.49. Okay. Then for a sell, I said you should go in at 492.11. And I said you should take your profit at 473.55. That is for US 100. That's for US 100. So quickly, let's look at US. Let's look at US 30. Let's look at US 30 on 5 minutes time frame as well. On 5 minute time frame as well. Okay. Now, for our US 30 on 5 minutes time frame, I'm going to ask us to do this, to go in for a buy. Let's go in for a buy. Okay. Okay. All right. This is okay. So let's go in for a buy. If price trades above price level, if price is above price level 3861, 3861, 38616, 38616, let's go in for a buy at 38616, and let's look at us taking our profit at price level 38. Oh, let me mute everybody. I thought I did that. I didn't do it. All right. All right. Okay, so I said for a buy on US 30, going at 38616, and let's take our profit at price level 38661. 38616 is the entry, and let's look at taking our profit at price level. Okay, and let's look at taking our profit at price level 38661. Then for a sell, you can just conveniently go in. I'm giving you a sell stop here as well. Let's go in at price level 38508. 38508. And let's look at taking our profit at 38463. 38463. 38463. 38463. All right. That is for US 30. That's for US 30. Okay. And then let me call it again. For your buy, going at price 38616, and let's look at us taking our profit at price level 38661. Take your sell entry at price level 38508, and let's look at us taking our profit at price 38463. Right. So let's go to US 500. Let's go to US 500 and take another projection on this. And I should maybe after I read out the positions, I should just say this. I should just say this. All right. For US 500, let's look at us taking advantage of the market at price level for US 500, 4984.8. 4984.8 is the entry, 4984.8. And then let's look at us taking our profit at price level 4991.1. 4991.1. 4991.1. All right. This is okay. This is okay. Then for a sell trade, we can just, let me see. Okay. Okay. All right. For a sell trade, let's look at going in at price 4974.9. 4974.9. Let's look at going in at price 4974 rather 0.9. And then we can look at taking our profit. Let me see how many pip this will be. Okay. To still give you good money. All right. Let's look at taking our profit at price 4970.8. 4970.8. 4970.8. I take it again. On US 500, go in for a buy at price 4984.8 and your TP at 4991.1. 4991.1. Then for your sell trade, go in at price 4974.9, and let's take our profit at price 4970.8. All right, 70.8. Okay, so this is okay. This is good. All right. So let's quickly go to US 2000. You know, I kept saying it that US 2000 has always turned up well. Okay, but the issue is that it has always somehow those who do not have sufficient capital, it tends to bite them. You understand? But more often than not, it tends to take profit more than the faster than the rest of these indices instruments these days. These days. All right. So let's look at us. Let's look at us taking advantage of US 2000. Let me see. Let me see how far we can go with this. All right. And what I would always love to prevent is getting triggered before time. I do not like it. You understand? So let's see how we can take advantage of it. All right. Just a sniper peep, and then we take something. All right. It's like 20 pips, 22 pips. All right. All right, 20 pips, 22 pips is okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Okay. It's okay. But let me move it up a bit. I do not want it to trigger, and then I just take. All right. Let's do it like this. So for your US 2000, we go in at price 2003. 2003. We're going at price 2003 for a buy, 2003.4. And let's take our profit at 2006. 206.0. 206.0. For a buy trade, we go in at price level 203.4, and then we take our profit at price 2006.0. Then for a sell trade, let's just go. Let's just go below. Let's just go below this untested support in 5 minutes at price 1997.3. 1997.3. And then let's look at us taking our profit at price 1990. I was going to put 993. Okay, at price 1993.2. 1993.2. 1993.2. All right. So let me do this. Let me adjust the buy entry. I just want to prevent any form of it getting triggered and then running back. So you can adjust your entry for US 2000 buy to 2004. 2004. Yes. 2004.4. 2004.4. Let's look at taking our profit at price level 2007.6. All right. So 2004.4. I just adjusted the buy entry for US 2000 at 2004.4. And then we take our profit. We take our profit at price level 2007. 2007.6. 2007.6. All right. So for your sell trade as an alternative direction, so I am going to ask us to go in at price 1997. Price 1997.3. 1997.3. And then let's take our profit at price 1993.2. 1993.2. Again, your sell entry at 1997.3 and your TP at 1993.2. Okay. That is for but I do not understand. Somebody is saying price are not tally with MT4. I do not understand. I'm on MT4 now. All right. And you can do this on MT4, MT5, and of course. Then how much do you need to trade US 100, US 500? Okay, all right, this is relative, but I always advise you, you don't have money at all, just have at least 500K, you don't have money at all. And that 500K, remember, margin has increased because of the devaluation of Naira, all right? So it is better that you have more money if in 7 figures preferably, all right? Probably because what you needed 4,000 to open before, you would need like 10,000 or 11,000 to open now, generally across all platforms. Okay, so that's the way it is. Quickly, let's go to DE40, D30, DE40, D30. All right. So, okay. All right, so let's look at us going for a buy on this index. On this index, if price trades above 17166.2, 17166.2, I think I'm too slow this afternoon. But all right, it is us making money that is the most effective. So I'm going to go into currency pairs soon. All right, 17166.2 is our entry for DE40. 17166.2. 17166.2 is our entry. So let's look at us taking our profits at price level 17195. 17195.0. 17195.0 as your entry, as your TP. As your TP. Then for your sell trade, just go conveniently below this untested proving support rather, and then let's take our profit at here. So that means we go in. That means we're going at 17096, 17096.5, 17096.5, 17096.5, and then we take our profit at price level 170, okay, 17059.9, 17059.9. Use D30 and D40, use D40. It is valid. All right, 17059.9, 59.9. Okay, this is okay. Quickly, let me just go to gold. Let me go to gold. Now, if you look at what has been happening on gold here, technically speaking, I would just have advised you, because look at my RSI here on 1 hour time frame. There is still room for there is enough room for gold to still go up, at least by a bit, before delving into the overbought region. And once it gets into the overbought region, look at what it has been doing here. Everybody, I'd like us to see this, and why I'm going to take this position. Look at what, the moment it crossed above this overbought region, it started selling again. It crossed above it here again, it started selling. So the possibility is high that once price crosses above this 70 mark, price is going to start selling, meaning that capturing it with a sell limit might be in order. Capturing it with a sell limit will be in order around price level 2032.52. 2032.52 will be in order. All right. Look at what it has been doing today. It has been trading in between the verified support and these resistance region, meaning that if one had taken advantage of the market with limit orders at least around here, if you are taking a buy limit here, you would have made your money up all the way here. And if you had gone in for a sell limit here, you'll have made money as well. Now, this is what I'm going to give us to avoid any from, let me go on 15 minutes time frame to avoid anything. Once market opens, I'm going to ask us, I'm going to see the exact direction of where to go. Right, on 15 minutes here now, So on 15 minutes here, I'm going to ask us to go in on 15 minutes for a buy at 2030.27, 2030.27, 2030.27, 2030.27, 2030.27, 2030.27. I believe we got that. 2030.27. Let's go in. Let's go in for a buy at 2030.27, and then let's just some few pips. Let's look at us. A minute, please. I'm just going to adjust it. Okay. All right. Going at 2030.92 and take your profit at 2030 at 2030.33. 2030.92 as your entry, then 2033.17. All right. Let me call it again. 2030.92 is your entry. 2030.90 is your entry, and your take profit at 2033.17. 2033.17 is your TP. Then for your sell trade, just quickly go in at price level 2027.00, 2027.00, and then look at taking your profit. At price level 2025.01. I'm going to drag it a bit. 2024.91. 2024.91. 24.91. All right. 24.91. That is good. That is good. All right. So quickly. So let's go to our currency pairs and let's see how we can take advantage of the currency market. Let's say, meanwhile, hope none of this price. Oh, US 100 sell as triggered. Nobody called my attention to this. US 100 sell, but it's going to go towards the sell region. US 100 sell as triggered. Okay, that's triggered. So quickly, let me see Euro USD. Let's see Euro USD and let's look at the projection. Now, Euro USD, this is already giving a sell signal. This is giving a sell signal right here that is good for us to go in for a sell on Euro USD. But just please wait for just 3 minutes when the market will open, and let's see where we can take instant execution. All right. But then for those who want to take only pending order on 15 minutes, I'm going to ask you to just prepare to just go in for a buy anywhere above this 1.08229, 1.08229. 1.08229. You might want to go in for a buy stop on it. In 2-3 minutes time, market is going to trigger. And let's look at us going up all the way for a TP at 1.08479. 1.08479. Meanwhile, like I said, my projection for now, based on what I'm seeing here, is to go short on Euro USD. All right, but let's allow market trigger in 2 minutes. Is going to do that. But for a sell trade, you might want to just prepare for a sell stop at 1.07979. 1.07979. 1.07979. All right. 1.079. Somebody said I'm too fast or I am too slow today. I am not as calm as I'm too slow today. All right. I'm too slow today. Somebody is asking for US 100. US 100 is still going to sell. All right. So for those of you who trade have triggers, it's going to sell. So that may even make me to adjust the entry for the buy. I may even want to adjust the entry for the buy. You might just want to prepare for a buy at 1.17. Since we are seeing this structure already, if it has not triggered, so you can go in for a buy at 1.7513. 1.7513 for your buy, and then let's look at us taking profit at our price level 1.7534. In 1 minute's time, it's going to happen. So you might just want to go. You might just want to go at 1.7513, 1.7513, and look at taking your profit. Look at taking your profit at price 1.7534.05. I believe you got that. So let me go back to my currency. Market will trigger any moment from now, and then you can take instant trade. All right. I believe you got that. Okay. Great. All right. So let's continue. Okay, US 100 just took profit on the sell. Congratulations to those of you who took it. Okay, US 30 is going now. All right, so for those of you on Euro USD, let me see it on 1 minute time frame. Sorry, on 1 hour time frame. Okay, like I said earlier, I said I'm going to go in for a sell on Euro USD. So an instant sell will do. An instant sell will do on Euro USD. An instant sell will do on Euro USD. An instant sell will do on Euro USD. All right. Then on USD JPY, let's see the outlook. USD JPY is still pushing up. It's still pushing up from where it is now. USD JPY is still pushing up from where it is now. USD JPY is still going to push up from where it is now. But if you want to be careful, just slightly above this 50, now it's already buying. Okay, it's good. You might just join the buy trade. Go ahead and join the buy trade. All right, go ahead and join the buy trade. But then, if you are so afraid, just go in at 150.121, 150.12, 150.121. All right, but an instant buy on USD is good for you. Just follow it up all the way, and then you can look at taking your profit, perhaps around price level. If you have gone on instant buy, or if you are just waiting for the buy stop at 150.121, you can take your profit around 150.205. 150.205. It's still going to push up and go in your direction. All right, on GBP USD today, this is a clear sell trade. This is a clear sell trade. But I'm going to ask you, if you are not entering an instant sell, if you're not entering an instant sell, you can just go below price level 1.26, 1.26, 1.26156, 1.26156, 1.26156, and let's look at us taking our profit. Let's look at us taking our profit around price level. Okay. Let's look at taking our profit around price level 1.26030, 1.26030. All right, somebody's talking about GBP, what's it called? Is it gold or where's my gold here? Okay. All right, gold sell that I gave you as triggered, and gold is still going to push down as well. Gold sell as triggered. Hold your trade if you are on that sell trade, and it's still going to go down the more. Then for US 2000 sell as triggered. Yes, it's still running in profit. It's still running in profit, right? It's still going to go back and it's going to take you in profit as well. So it's a good one for those who took US. Now US 100 is going towards buy now. The seller is taking profit. The US 100 is going towards buy, and then have I taken USD card? Okay, I've not. All right. Okay. So I had to go look. It's on this chart. It's on this chart. He asked me for this for this indicator. I don't use it actually, but I had to go look for it. I had to go look for it. Okay, all right. So okay. A minute, please. All right. Okay. Okay, so I was going to say something on USD card, and if you look at what has been happening here, it has also been respecting structure here, right? It has been respecting structure here on 1 hour time frame, trading between the weak support and the verified resistance you have here. All right. So this is giving me a buy signal here based on the candles I'm seeing here. However, using the law of the law of limit orders, since it has not been able to successfully break above this verified resistance, you may want to prepare for a sell right here on USD card. You may want to prepare for a sell right here on USD card. You want to pay for a sell, but let me do this and give us just a pending order pending time that this one triggers. So for your buy trade, just go in for your buy trade. Just go in at price. Go in for a buy trade at price level 1.35288. 1.35288. Going for a buy at 1.35288. Going for a buy, and let's look at taking profits on this buy trade at price level 1.35395. 1.35395. Okay, for that sell trade, so I'm going to ask you to just conveniently go for a sell because price is being rejected right here now. Just go in for a sell. I'm on 1 hour time frame, mind you. Go in for a sell if price trades below. If price just trades below 1.35127, 1.35127, going for a sell, and then follow it all the way down. Okay, so we've done Euro USD. I told you to go in for a sell, right? On USD, it's selling already. Then in case you are looking for a take profit, the first take profit will be this 38.2 Fibo level at 1.07979. 1.07979. That will be your first step. If it breaks it, then you can then go and follow it down to the turncoat support you are seeing it at 1.07891. 1.07891. All right. So for USD JPY, I told you to go in for a buy. If you have gone on instant buy, good. If you are yet to go in and you are waiting to enter at 150.121, that is good. That is good. It's still going to go push up all the way. It's going to push up all the way. For GBP USD, I told you that it's going to be a sell. If you have not gone for an instant sell, Okay, just wait and let it trigger your sell entry at 1.26156, 1.26156, 1.26156, and take your profit at 1.26030. All right. For gold, uh, gold triggered sell, and then it's trying to push up, but hold your sell trade is still going to come back to it. Hold your sell trade is still going to come back to it. All right. That is gold. All right. And let me keep preaching my Mr. Ifeanyi and Madam Ifeoma. Okay, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. All right. If you do not have patience trading the market, you might not be a good trader, and you might not make good money from your trade. All right. Okay, that is for gold. And then for US 100, US 100 is pushing towards the buy entry. It's pushing towards the buy entry. The seller has taken profit. It's pushing towards the buy entry. And then US 30 sell has taken profit. US 30 sell has taken profit. US 30 sell has taken profit. US 500 sell triggered. US 500 sell triggered. It went a bit in profit before it reversed. And it's in negative at the moment, but hold your trade is still going to go back. For those who have been trading this thing for a while now, even when two positions trigger for you, you realize that after a while, you want to take profit, the other goes back. The gist to it is that you have good capital to hold your trade. That's the gist to it. Have good capital to hold your trade. So that's why I keep telling people, I know some of you who are my clients, you've heard me say this over and over, that it is not about you making profit. It is about you being able to stay in the market till you make profit in this market. All right. So US 2000 triggered sell. It didn't take profit. It went about 70-80%. It didn't take profit, and then it went back all the way. Meanwhile, if anybody has heeded my gospel, it has been that don't always wait for TP before you take your profit. At least between here and there will have given you profit. All right. Okay. So let's just hold that trade, and then we go in profit in that. Then DE40 has not triggered at all. And then let me go back to gold and let me see how it is doing. Let's see how it is doing. Okay, gold is turning towards buy, but you hold your trade. Look at it on 1 hour time frame. Let's see the outlook on 1 hour time frame. All right, gold will still sell, so just hold your trade, and you'll be fine. Hold your trade, you'll be fine. All right, on gold, hold your trade, you'll be fine. Okay, then Euro USD. Euro USD we sell, and I said to all that Euro USD, look at taking your profits, your TP1 at 1.07979, 07979. It's going to be a sell trade. But for those who are waiting for immediate result, right, you might be disappointed, right? And then I said USD JPY is going to head for the buy. Hold your trade. If you have entered instant buy, hold your trade. It's going to go in the buy direction. And if you have not, your pending order for a buy trade is still very much accurate. Okay, for GBP USD, your sell trade is very much accurate. Hold your sell trade and let it flow. Let it flow. For USD card, I told you that if you going for a sell, good price has been rejected, but your entries, your buy entry at 1.35288 is in order, and for your sell entry 1.35127 is also in order for your sell trade on USD card. All right. So let me see another one that we can also look at. Okay. Let me just monitor it. All right. I think that would just be all that I might want to do today. But then let me ask: has anybody made money today? And for those of you who are still holding your trade, hold it. The gist to it is have good capital to hold your trade in the market, and you will do well in the market. All right. So let me see again. Trades that are still running. US started buy triggered, okay, and went down towards sell. Let me see it. US started. Oh, I just saw it now. It triggered. Now, like I said, just what the gist to it is. See, if you don't have sufficient capital, top up your account, hold your trade, it will go back. It will go back. That's just the gist to it, right? It will go back to your position. All right. I think that's about that today. But let me ask. For this US 2000, now how much capital do I propose? Okay, you took only gold sell. Okay, I'm seeing your questions. Okay. How much capital do I propose? Hold your sell trade, though. Okay, hold your sell trade, though, and if you like, you can close it. All right, but you would tell me later that you wish you had listened to me. All right, hold your sell trade because your what's it called? Your negative is reducing at the moment because gold is selling at the moment, and your negative is reducing. All right, okay. So how much should you have minimum capital? I would say to people, for those who care to listen, you don't have money at all. You don't have money at all. You just have at least 500K. You don't have money at all. You understand? Just for you to stay in the market. And if you didn't join this session earlier or early enough, I did mention that things have changed. Margin has increased. The devaluation of Naira has changed the whole topography, if you will permit me to say that, because what you needed, for example, on US 100 to place a standard lot used to be like 400,000 naira before, I think so. So, but then it has changed because margin has changed. Okay, so we all believe for a better country here in Nigeria. All right, that is for that. So have good capital. Capital, see, people, those who relate with me have heard me say this over and over. Three things are key in the market: your knowledge of the market, your capital, which determines your strength in the market, all right, and then your discipline that you have brought on board. They will keep you in the market to stay in the market. All right. So for the session, for the AI session, it will be communicated to us. I think it's holding next week, not tomorrow again, not this week again. We're gonna hold next week. So we'll communicate to us. All right. Regarding that, I believe we got it. But how come nobody has mentioned having made money here today? Okay. No, how come nobody has mentioned having made money here today? So let me hear. Let me hear. So hold your trade, be patient, and then we smile at the end of the day. So I said to GBP USD, I said take a buy. Take a buy in GBP USD. Okay, I didn't do NZD USD, NZD USD. I didn't do it. And this is even giving us a sell trade. This is giving us a sell trade. So Mr. Yusuf, you have 50,000 naira. Please just stay within the ambit of your ability on trading with 50K, with 50K. All right, and don't try to trade anything in this market. Not because you can't open a trade, you can, but it is not guaranteed that you can stay or stay long in the market. All right, this is a sell trade on NZD on NZD USD. This is a sell trade on NZD USD. All right, at least market. If you look at what is happening so far today, price has been trading between these verified support and these proven resistance. In between it, we have it mediated by this 20.6 feeble level, which is a minor retracement level that can easily be broken should price trace towards it. All right, so let's just do this. If you want to be careful on this trade and you want to enter, you may just want to allow price to break below this 20.6 fib level, and then if I were you, I would just go in for a sell actually and hold my trade. That does not mean to translate into immediate profit for us. It does not translate into immediate profit, but it's going to turn out at the end of the day that price is still going to come back to test this verified support. Because if one has taken advantage of a sell trade or a sell limit around this region, it will have been a good trade for you. Just you holding your trade, allow it to run all the way, and you're going to come back to this verified support for you to take a profit. And once price gets to this verified support, you might look at you also taking a buy from this region, and taking a taking your profit. All right, I think that will be all. That will be all for today. Hold your trading. You are in the market. If market is trading against you, please top up your account, hold your trade, and then you will thank me later. So and for those who are saying they don't know how to place trade, this is not a session for that. We have morning and evening session for trading class. All right, so you might want to reach out to your account manager to help you with that, or if you are within our physical office locations, you can just go to our office and be trained on how to set pending order. All right. That's about that. For the FOMC coming out today, market will move, but will not move as heavy as it would if it had been that of FOMC fund rate meeting. All right, but market will move. You may want to also prepare and set some sniper entries for the market at 8 p.m. Or if you want to do it well, just go in like 10 minutes before the time, set your entries, and market triggers and takes you up in profit. All right, I believe we got that. Okay, that will be all for today. Thank you, everybody. Let's have a very, very, very wonderful afternoon. All right.